Haibar produces high-quality dehydrators. It all starts with strict control of raw materials. Each batch of materials must pass strict inspections before entering the warehouse. A spectrometer checks steel composition. Thickness gauge measures pipes. All results are recorded. Only qualified materials are stored. Steel is stored according to strict standards. Stainless steel parts are separated from shelves to prevent contact with other metals. We also choose reliable component brands. Nord Motors, GKD filter cloth from Germany. High-quality materials and components ensure Haibar machines meet the highest standards from the very beginning. Follow us for more updates.